friends, and in this video we're going to discuss about the strings. Strings are actually the classes. They are String is a class in Java, but how do we deal them? Because string is, so I name it string and test. So string are just a group of characters like the name of a city, name of a person. All these are strings. So when you write your code, then you have to deal with strings. Suppose here I say that string, I just create, just like a normal object, I create two string objects. So string name and string address. Now these are variables. Actually these are objects, and objects are nothing but the user defined variables. They are made up of the primitive data types, however they are also the variables. Now since string name, it's a just kind of classes are made, so I'm just making this as the way I'm making two objects. They're not initialized. How to initialize? So just pay attention to it and just check it out. So a string x, string y. So here I have to assign these values. So I'll write name equals x and address equals y. Then I can print from here public void something, whatever you feel like. What I intend now is, I'm just trying to do, I created a public void show, and I create here public void uppercase. It is a user defined, it's user defined. Just pay attention. And this is what I'm doing is, I just define one upper defined function, and what will it do? It will simply convert the string, whatever you pass to it, to the upper cases. So from here I'll be passing my function to this, and it will be converting this into the upper cases. So here I say that first I pass, or you can say system dot out dot println name equals, and plus I'm concatenating name. This is the object of the type string. Dot, I call a function called to uppercase. In Java, whenever you have, these are your different functions, you can differentiate. They begin with a small letter, but when there are more than 2-3 words, then every new word have the beginning with the upper letter, uppercase. So this is upper U is uppercase, and this C is also uppercase. So now this is this, and the same thing you can do for address also. So here I can write address, and here this is the object name. This is the object address, ADDRESS, and now I simply print. So this one will be printing without making any changes. Whatever it was, it will print like that. No conversion. So the show function will print the way information was input, the way name and address were entered. So here it's done. Now I compile, and then I create the one object I have to pass to a string. So write Gangadhar Pandey, and 1209 Tamarind apartment. Oh, I don't have to put curly bracket, I have to put one here in this address, in this block, and other here. So just one identifier expected. Oh, this semicolon is causing trouble. This is done. Now I show function, this is, then I call uppercase function, and here you see this is the uppercase. So the string is a Java variable where string is a Java class. String is a class in Java, and Java is purely object oriented programming. They have lot of classes, packages, and how they are arranged in different packages. They have great hierarchy of the all these things, and this is very beautiful and very interesting the way they have designed it. So, and that is the beauty of the object oriented programming languages. So I'm saying that the string have many other functions, like the to lowercase, to uppercase, replace a character, trim the white spaces, compare two strings, then compare two strings irrespective of their cases, find the length of the string, find the character of the string at a particular index, then you have to compare two strings. Concatenation is adding of two strings, then you have to find a part of a string in a string. Then there are various functions, so slowly you'll come across them, and you can understand that they all require practice, because unless you practice you'll never understand what kind of functions are there. So in the next video we'll just make few more examples with the possible things now, or you can say it's in part 2 video, I'll just add some more features to that. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to our channel and keep practicing with us, and in 5-10 days you will be very good at Java. Thank you very much.